welcome back everybody. If you want to use the virtual desktop feature on your Windows and you are looking out how to do so, the feature that lets you create multiple desktop for organizing apps in work or personal use, you may follow this process. So you can directly look out for this option of desktop view. You can see I have desktop 1 and desktop 2, and each of the desktop has each of the applications, but here on the below I do not have some applications opened, while in my Windows desktop 1 I have some applications opened right here. I have Chrome and the other OBS Studio. So if you want to use it, what you can do is once you tap on this option right here, you can select this option of new desktop right here, or if not this, you can look out for the Windows and the tab key on your keyboard, and that should do the same work. After that, you can just go and click on this option of new desktop and create up a new desktop available, which will give you similar applications but won't open up the same application on both of the desktop. Now, if you do not have this option on yet, what you need to do is you need to turn on that. Look out for the taskbar. Back click on it, go to taskbar settings, and within taskbar you can look out for this task view option and ensure this option is turned on right here so that you will be having double taskbar on your desktop. This is one of the method, and you can switch between virtual desktops. You can just go over and, for example, I would like to open up Steam on my desktop 1 and access it up, and whereas on my desktop 2 I would like to access any other applications. For example, I would like to access, let's say, Telegram. So you can just go and open up Telegram on your desktop 2 and find it up on your screen. See, there we go, it's open on my desktop 2, but whereas when I head over to desktop 1 I won't be having the Telegram application. If you'd like to go ahead and add it, you can just go over and add it like this on your desktop 2 and open it up on your desktop 2 instead of the desktop 1 as well. And that is it. You can just go and organize your applications and have a better work desktop, personal desktop for focus, and that's it. And you don't need to worry about switching or closing the application as well, because if you switch it, it won't close. So you can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.